I just realized I have mask face.
Hi there, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I have some more Disney-inspired little behind the scenes for this whole Disney Villains challenge that I'm doing for the countdown to Halloween. So I obviously had to share with you guys what that behind the scenes was. So I have more villain looks. I have more Disney bounds for you guys. And if you missed the first video, you can check it out here. I'll have it listed down below. Make sure that you give that video a view because there's different villains in there. And also I explained to you what a Disney bound is. Basically, it's taking ordinary clothing pieces and just piecing them all together to be inspired by said character. So you'll get the hint and the idea as you see these villains to come, but obviously I just had to share them with you. And I was trying to remember while we were shooting these on location, I was like, oh yeah, I want to get like the video while we're out here so you kind of like got an idea and like you just feel that you were there with me on the shoot. So I hope you lovelies enjoy these Disney villain inspired looks, and definitely pay attention as I model these outfits for you, just so you know what ideas I had in mind as I pieced them together for my inspiration. First up is the Queen of Hearts, and obviously we needed red and black to make this work. I got the jumper from Shein. Oh, these ruffle shoulders, excuse me while I drool over them. That sweater is from Zara, the boots are Amazon, the crown and heart scepter, which was an absolute need, also Amazon. The next villain is Lady Tremaine, the wicked stepmother from Cinderella. I have my very own glass slipper that's a designer dupe from Amazon. This dress is from Shein, and look at those sleeves. Yes, please. I absolutely am loving these booties. They're new from Nordstrom's from Sam Edelman, and also the necklace I actually made, and it's all from Michael's. Rounding up our villain lookbook is Jafar. This entire fit is from Zara, and yes, I have a snake scepter. Thank you to my brother for letting me borrow this. I don't know why he had it, but thank you for completing my look. These faux leather shorts, an absolute must. Look at those sleeves on that top, amazing. And those red booties, under $40 from Amazon. See how the shoots turned out on my IG. So I hope you lovelies enjoyed this Disney villain inspired lookbook. If you did, I would love it if you give the video a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. If you are new here, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would love you even more if you would just hit that button to subscribe to the channel. If you click the bell that's down below, guess what? It's gonna notify you every single time I upload a video. I do lots of different Disney style and beauty things, so if you're interested in that, then my channel is where you wanna be. I hope you lovelies are staying safe and staying healthy, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.